Welcome back to my channel today, and you may have seen this. Like I said, I repeat a lot of these videos and use different colors and different techniques, but this one's gonna be of a wolf. You can see the little outline on there, and what I did was I cut out this template to use, and as you can see down there, you have what I'm trying to do, a moon. So the first step is to go inside the outline as much as possible and spray paint it black. And then once that dry, we'll try putting this template back on it and then spray paint on the outside of it. So let's get started. Make sure you get the bottom. Alright, so do that. Alright, so we'll let that dry, and then we'll come back and do what I was thinking was doing the galaxy again, like I did on my other one. And just play around. Obviously it's never going to come out exactly the same, but let's play with it and see what we come up with. So right now let's just let this dry and then come back. Alright, so welcome back. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of spray paint on top of the canvas, weighing down the template. Obviously you don't want to leave this for too long because it'll screw up the canvas, but I'm going to do it really quickly. So what I'm going to do is have different shades. So I have like purples, I have greenish, kind of bluish, and just start playing around and try to create a galaxy. So let's get started. So I think I'm gonna, for the edges, I'm gonna take this one, because the wolf is black, or at least the shadow of it, the silhouette. So you wanna make it stand out. So trying to go here. Okay, so I got my acrylic paint and I got my tool. Let's just start spraying it. I think I'm gonna have to go that way because as you can see over here, it's mostly the cans. So I'm gonna walk around and spray from this way. All right, so all I'm gonna do is just take the top and then just dip it, and then just go lightly. We're good. Make sure you clean off this piece so it doesn't dry like that. All right, let me clean this really quick, and then I'll remove all the cans and see what we have. All right, so I removed all the cans and took out the template, and there you go. It looks pretty good. Just make sure that you get the side. I forgot to do that, but that's fine because I'll paint it. I'll paint it either a greenish color or a purple color or even black or something like that. But always remember to do that. Sometimes it's hard just because well, for me it was a little harder because the camera, my head would have been right on it. But anyways, as you can see, it's pretty cool. Try it at home and let me know how it works. Please support and subscribe to my channel, and like my video, and I'll keep adding as I as I come up with different ideas and different projects. All right, for this one, and like I said, let me know how it goes.